Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome to Late Start Speech 10. How's it going everybody? I am Professor Casey Jones. I will be your tour guide today and every day here online for this amazing class. It is an 8-week late start class. So hopefully you're in the right place. You must be if you logged on to campus and you're watching this video. And I have one important question for you before we get started. How was your spring break? Yeah, it goes so fast, right? I think I need a break from my break, but here we are, so we might as well get started. Now, for some of you who have taken a couple of online classes here at Pasadena City College, you know that those 8-week classes go like that. I mean, it's like you start and the next thing you know, it's over. So you know what to expect. But for those of you that are taking your very first online class, first of all, welcome. Welcome to the online experience. I think you're going to really like it. And for all of you, I really know for sure that you're going to love this class. It's incredibly interactive. You get to learn all sorts of good stuff about communication, about how to deal with other people, and also how to deal with yourself. It's kind of a game changer because you really do learn what makes you tick as a communicator, and you can take all those skills and strategies that you learn here, take them out into the world, and put them to good use. So let me show you how you can get started here just to start to familiarize yourself with our virtual classroom and where to get started. So first of all, here we are at our home page. You can see that it says recent announcements at the top. I make quite a few announcements, sometimes every day, sometimes more than once a day. And I want you to make sure that you set up your notifications in Canvas so that you're receiving everything. You're receiving messages from the inbox. You're receiving notifications that I've graded something or that I've left you a note in the grade book, and also for announcements, because lots of things happen during the course of a day, and announcements is a perfect place for me to throw all that out there right away and reach everybody all at once. And I almost always have the reply settings set up so that you can reply and ask a question directly to that announcement. So it's just a good way to stay in touch on stuff that might come up. So I want you to check that out. The top 3 announcements will be right here, the most recent, at the top of our homepage. But you can also access it by going right here to announcements. So make sure that you're checking in with that. Now, in my class, when in doubt, click on modules. When in doubt, click on modules. That's where it's all happening. So if you look over here on the left, you can see modules right there. Just click and voila, we are in the virtual classroom. So here we are. Now you can see right here at the top that I have an orientation module, and that's just a place for you to get started. It's what we're going to do this very beginning of the first week. It talks a little bit about what we're doing this week, where we're doing it, how to navigate our course. There's a video right here. Also some really great information about Canvas and how you can get the information you need to navigate Canvas and make it work for you, including Canvas 24/7 tech support. They're amazing. They know everything. I have to call them all the time. So don't feel bad about having to call Canvas support because they are amazing. They know everything. And they can tell you the answer like that. So reach out. I think that's a good lesson for all of us to always ask for help. Reach out. We're all here to help each other succeed. And if you go all the way down, you can see all of this other good information. So I just wanted to point that out to you so that you know what's coming up, you know where to start, that we've had a chance to interface here and online during week 1. I'm so glad you're here. We're going to have a lot of fun. So explore, check everything out. You can go right down here to my virtual office and ask me any questions you want right there. You just click on it and it'll take you to a place where you can ask questions that are appropriate for everyone to hear the answer to, because if you have a question, I'm sure other people do. So check everything out in the orientation module. Have some fun, really jump in, and I'll see you on the discussion board, okay? Thanks, everybody. Have a great week.